Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park Aero Modelers Club. We're going to take up the FMS Futura V3. Have a little bit of fun with her. My rates that I'm going to be flying in today are 100% throws. Maybe on the aileron, let me see. On the elevator, yeah, everything 100% throws with 30% or 20% expo. All the way around. I may go down to, you know what? I say that, let me start in my mid rates, which are 80% over 20%. I got 20% expo all the way around. Right, left, up, down, right, left. Motor's on, obviously. Let's go down here and we'll get turned around. All right, we're going to use takeoff flaps.
Takeoff flaps.
As she just said, and hopefully beat this rain.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Flaps up.
I think I'm going to
High rate.
kick her up to high rates now. I'm going to turn back towards the clubhouse now. Like I say, it's not really full throttle, only 3/4 throttle. All right. Take her out towards the road a little bit. And we're going to bring her down
Landing flaps.
kind of slow. Just to show you how slow this plane actually will fly.
Gear down.
All right.
Flaps up. Landing flaps. Time remaining 3 minutes.
All right, we're going to go back out here towards the road again. There we go. Love that suspension gear. Remember, with an EDF, use up the whole runway.
Flaps up.
All right, we're going to take off again. That's full throttle.
Gear up.
Oh good, my door did.
Flaps up.
Full throttle.
Gear down.
Gear down.
Flaps. Time remaining 2 minutes.
And just so you know, I'm running an AR 620 antenna-less receiver in her. All right. All right, we're going to try taking off in this direction.
Takeoff flaps.
Good. Camera lady, camera wonderful person. Here we go.
Gear up. Flaps up.
All right, full throttle there. Bring her back towards us. Gear down.
Landing flaps.
All right, turn back towards the clubhouse. Gonna straighten her out. Lowering my descent. Getting my wings level. Cutting down to about an 8 throttle now. 1/4 throttle. Gonna flare. There we go. And folks, that is the FMS Futura. Well, we got 1:13. What am I doing? We can still go up again.
Takeoff flaps.
Here we go. All right,
Landing flaps.
but I'm going to do another landing.
Time remaining 1 minute.
All right. About 8 throttle, back to a 1/4 throttle. Wings are level. I'm out of the throttle now, flare. In the grass, but that's okay. That suspension gear can more than take it. Got enough for one more. We're gonna do one more. One more.
Flaps up. Landing flaps.
I'm running a 4000 6S Sokoken battery off Amazon. Level wings, and flare. All right. What a great flying jet. She's a little on the intimidating side. She does have a little bit of speed, but very stable. All right. Motor off. I don't care if it is an EDF. You get in the habit of turning that motor off before you touch the plane. You're just better off. Flew for 3.5 minutes. And let's see what kind of juice we have in the tank. All right. Provided I can. All right, 24%, 3.77 all the way down, 25%. I don't dare take it up there. 25%, that's a perfect storage rate. I'm going to leave it alone right there. And just to show you the gear up close, this particular plane, the one defect in it is the nose, the gear door there in the front has a habit of sometimes hanging up. Not a huge deal, just cycle it a few times in the air and it should close for you. To show you where I've got my battery, to where she balances beautifully, if you look where the wood is, if you go in about 1/2 inch on that wood, that's where you want to put your 4000. Now, if your 4000 is lighter, like a Spectrum, come up just maybe 1/4 inch where my finger is now. If it's a 5000, go back just a ways. But for this plane, a 4000 is absolutely perfect. And that battery is fairly warm. So let me put my gear back down so she's not sitting on her belly. Here we go, trying to get these flights in before this rain comes. Well, folks, that right there is the FMS Futura V3. You can go to Fair RC and also get it in a green and white, which is the same plane, just a different color. I prefer the red and white to me. That's just me, my preference. But there you go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, them planes. God bless y'all. Bye-bye.